this toy shop has got 3 licenses. So when we enable the license here, when we enable the license here, when we go enable the license here, it tells me that you have got 1 unused license. And once I use this license, then I will have 0 unused license. Exactly the same way the RMH terminal activation works. Exactly the same process. So you can go, you may have 50 stores, but you can only activate X number of stores. Now, once you activate the store, the system will still not work until you go in and enter the opening batch number. You may be using RMH for 5 years and there may be hundreds of batches. And you do not want all those batches to come in your QuickBooks because you have got some way of entering them in your accounting before. So if you go in here, you will put your first batch number. Any batch number before this will be ignored, and until you put this data, the system will not get activated. So for every store, you can go and put the batch number. And for the purchases, when you are bringing the purchases, the same thing, your purchases could be sitting there for so long. So you only want to bring the purchases from this day on. So any purchases before November 1 will not come to the system. This is the most important screen, because if we do not activate this screen, the program is not going to work.